How to log in or register into online banking account of Capital One Bank. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in or register into online banking account of Capital One. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application in your mobile device and in search bar type Capital One. Click on the first website as that is the official website of Capital One Bank. After that, you need to click on the option on sign in at the top right corner. Once you do so, you will be directed toward the login page. Now if you already have access to your online banking account, enter your username and password and click on sign in. If not, click on set up online access and here now you need to provide your last name or your bank account number and after that your date of birth. Then after you need to click on the option of get started and then you will be good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can register and log in into online banking account of Capital One Bank. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.